Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick video on these display sheets that have been sent by Bow Supplies. These are a fantastic idea and I've never thought of it before. I usually use a wallpaper sample, but you have to roll them up to store them and they don't lay flat. They crease up, they rip, they tear, you have to replace them all the time. This is a fantastic way of doing that same thing, but you can have anything you want printed on there. Now, it's just a canvas sheet which has been printed. This is obviously a wooden effect. So what you would do is you would put your sheet down, you would get your bow, like so. And then you would take a picture of it on this sheet and it will give you a lovely background. It's absolutely fantastic. I will insert some photos into the video of what these look like when you take pictures with them. Now, obviously, you still need to have really good lighting. I do suggest natural light, but you could also get light boxes and put these in the bottom of the light box. That would be perfectly fine. I want to show you some of the others that she sent as well. So this one, I absolutely love it, and it will be perfect for me to take photos of my Santa bows, which I've just finished making today. So what you would do is get your bow, pop it on there at an angle, straight if you want it, take a photo of that, and that will look absolutely fantastic. Really finishes off the product. And then there's another one that's been sent as well, which is this one, which I suppose they're poinsettias. So what you would do is get your bows and pop them onto the sheet and take your photograph. However you want to do it. There are loads to choose from on the website, and I am sure if you contact Donna with anything you want to print on one of these sheets for a backing sheet, she will do it for you. If you've got a business logo, anything like that, I'm sure she can do that. But these Christmas ones and the other one is absolutely fantastic idea. I really love them and needed to get this shared with you as soon as possible. Now, I did get a parcel through with lots of other goodies from Bow Supplies, all Christmas things that I'm going to share with you over the next week. So please turn the channel notifications on and the little bell icon. Click on there and make sure your notifications are turned on to all. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and we do also have a Facebook group, Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube. I'll put all the links in the description, as well as a link to these on Pixie Dot's website. They do ship worldwide. Absolutely fantastic. I love these. These are absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much, Donna at Bow Supplies, and pop over there and see all the wonderful things that she's got, and check out the videos next week to see what's coming up with all the other goodies that have been sent for Christmas. So again, only a quick video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.